The well-rounded lineup of 2024 XC40 compact SUVs carries through mostly unchanged, but the revamp given to the XC40 Recharge unlocks its true potential. What kind of vehicle is the 2024 Volvo XC40? Volvo's 2024 XC40 is a small SUV that comes in both gasoline and entirely electric variants, with the latter being known as the XC40 Recharge. While the XC40 Recharge competes against the Audi Q4 e-tron, Genesis GV60, Jaguar I-Pace, and maybe the Kia Niro EV, the XC40 faces battle against the BMW X1 and the Mercedes-Benz GLA. In addition to having a striking design, the 2024 Volvo XC40 boasts a comfy cabin and strong safety ratings. Based on gas-powered models, which contributed for around 75% of sales in 2023, we grade the XC40 range at 6.5 out of 10. Electric XC40 Recharge versions offer more energized performance and a quieter, more sophisticated feel overall. What's new for the 2024 Volvo XC40? The XC40 returns for 2024 with no major modifications, unless you're looking at the XC40 Recharge. The XC40 had some minor design tweaks and a new infotainment system based on Google Android for 2023. The Recharge has a new propulsion system that is more centered on rear-wheel drive, but other than that, it looks the same. It has new 19-inch aero wheels. Dual-motor models of the XC40 Recharge are geared toward providing power to the rear wheels, whereas single-motor models have the motor at the rear wheels instead of the front as in prior model years. They are propelled by brand-new motors, which provide 248 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque in single-motor versions and 402 horsepower and 494 lb-ft in dual-motor versions. Additionally, the 2024 XC40 Recharge has a significantly longer range than the 2023 model, reaching up to 293 miles for single-motor models and 254 miles for dual-motor versions on a full charge. Aside from the motors and batteries, the XC40's gasoline variants are no longer available in the B4 standard front-wheel drive configuration. Instead, the B5 all-wheel drive mild hybrid system is the only option. The Recharge and gasoline XC40 variants are similar in many ways. They are all shaped like a pert, upright small crossover SUV, but with a few unique design elements that set them apart. Even though the form is relatively boxy, certain models' robust-looking contrasting trim and the upkick at the rear roof pillar assist give it a rugged, grounded appearance. The XC40's interior has all the hallmarks of a Volvo, including a vertical touchscreen screen in the middle of the dash and cheery Scandinavian hues and contrasts in the cabin upholstery and accents. With a 2.0-liter turbo-4 engine producing 247 horsepower, the B5 can propel its front and rear wheels with sufficient acceleration and all-weather grip. Although it is rated at 26 miles per gallon combined, its designation as a mild hybrid just refers to the fact that the engine may be turned off for longer periods of time at stoplights. XC40 B5s have adequate passing reserves for short highway trips and are fairly speedy. When the XC40 Recharge is equipped with a single motor, it operates incredibly quickly. The motor system responds instantly, giving it a particularly vivacious and silent feel when driving around town. With 4.8 seconds for 0 to 60 miles per hour, the dual-motor Recharge models lead the lineup in performance. These compact crossover SUVs are generally designed to be enjoyable, with responsive handling and a solid yet comfortable ride. Although these models feel heavier, they provide a really nice balance between handling and riding comfort. With its shorter length of 175 inches, the XC40 compromises in the rear but gains excellent space for people up front with better seats than competing models. About 20 cubic feet of cargo space is located in the back, while a small front trunk keeps the eggs from being smashed. With a great crash test result and an extensive suite of standard driver assistance tech features, the XC40 lives up to Volvo's reputation for safety. What is the price of the Volvo XC40 in 2024? The base core variant of the gasoline-powered XC40 costs $41,995, including destination. It features 18-inch alloy wheels, a 9.0-inch touchscreen, parking sensors, and support for both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Starting at $53,745 is the XC40 Recharge Core. Above the core, the Plus grade adds a panoramic roof and the ultimate, which tops out well over $60,000, gains more driver assistance technology and quality audio. 2024 Volvo XC40 styling. At first appearance, the Volvo XC40 exudes playfulness, but it also pays attention to detail, which isn't often the case with small SUVs. The inside is opulent yet full of elegant features and contrasts, and its raised beltline and unique roofline make it easy to recognize from a distance. We rate it a 7 out of 10 and give it a point for both the inside and the outside. It can be difficult to design a small SUV without making it appear stubby or bulbous, but Volvo has succeeded in this endeavor. Since this model line's launch for the 2019 model year in the United States, the Swedish automaker has had success with this design, and thankfully, it hasn't attempted to change any of the features along the road. Volvo made some minor front-end updates last year. Recharge versions now feature a complete body color face in place of the conventional grille. Both the clamshell hood and the hammer-shaped headlight features give the profile a distinctive beginning. It has a two-tone look thanks to some contrasting elements and lower bodywork, and the vertical taillights pay homage to several Volvo models from the past and present. Although the interior design lacks the drama and intrigue of the outside, you will probably come to like it over time due to its well-thought-out features and use of vivid, contrast-focused materials. The dash, door panels, and even the carpet are all part of a lively environment that is everything but the sterile German appearance thanks to the vertical touchscreen that splits the panel. After spending hours in the XC40, nothing about it appears or feels cheap, which is impressive given Volvo's most affordable model line right now. 2024 Volvo XC40 comfort and quality. Taking into account the XC40's external dimensions, the cabin and cargo room are particularly noteworthy. By American standards, several crossovers that would still be considered tiny are a half step smaller than the Volvo XC40 series for 2024. It is easy to park in crowded metropolitan areas due to its 174-inch length, but it is deliciously spacious for 4 people. Here, the XC40 receives 2 points, one for its cargo space, which is larger than that of a sedan, and another for its excellent front seats. That's a 7, then. Power seats are optional for the passenger seat, however power seats for the driver are standard. Small door apertures are a concession to the short package, but the front and rear seats are better proportioned than most in this size of car, providing all-day comfort for people 6 feet tall or above. Impressive interior upholstery highlights a cozy atmosphere and contrasts between bright and dark hues. Materials used include cloth, synthetic and genuine leather, and, for the recharge, a unique wool blend that should be taken into account if you're purchasing a loaded version. For a tiny crossover SUV, the rear seat passenger's legroom is decent, but there isn't enough breadth for 3 adults to sit comfortably. When the back seatbacks are folded, the cargo area expands to 47 cubic feet, yet it can still hold a few roll-on baggage. With a front trunk, in place of the engine area, these models bring some freight versatility without sacrificing any noticeable passenger or cargo room. Although its real size is less than a cubic foot, it works well to conceal the baggage or the eggs from view. How safe is the Volvo XC40? Thanks to excellent crash test results, strong standard crash avoidance systems, and even better, albeit more expensive, optional technology, this model is among our best-rated ones. Because of its excellent array of active safety features and 5-star safety ratings, we give the 2024 XC40 an 8 out of 10. The NHTSA rates the gasoline-powered XC40 5 stars overall, giving it practically perfect scores in all tests. The XC40 Recharge does not receive the same level. In IIHS testing, the gasoline-powered XC40 primarily receives top ratings, but, in the revised side impact test, it receives a second-best score of acceptable, meaning it is no longer included in the top safety pick list. Even though the Recharge was redesigned below to be rear-wheel drive based, the IIHS maintains the high quality of the prior findings, which included top good ratings in every occupant safety category. All XC40 versions come equipped with automatic emergency braking and blind spot monitoring, and the top Ultimate models include a pilot assist system that helps the car stay in its lane and maintain a safe distance from oncoming traffic. 2024 Volvo XC40 features. Volvo doesn't cut corners when it comes to technology. In higher trim levels, the XC40 is transformed into a true luxury car. Volvo doesn't cut corners when it comes to technology. In higher trim levels, the XC40 is transformed into a true luxury car. All three XC40 and XC40 Recharge trim levels come equipped with all the desirable infotainment and active safety features from Volvo. The higher trim levels get more unique materials and trimmings along with more comfort and convenience features. A 4-year per 50,000-mile warranty and 3 years of maintenance are also included. On our scale, the large screens, good warranty, and standard equipment total an 8. One critique of Volvo's feature package presentation is that the excellent pilot assist function is limited to the top-tier Ultimate trims. A 9.0-inch infotainment system is included with all XC40 variants, and it's surprisingly easy to use when compared to some of the competing cars' interfaces. To properly utilize the system, you must be connected to the Google ecosystem. However, you can use Apple CarPlay or Google's Android Auto on any smartphone. Although the mid-level Plus and top-level Ultimate models add a variety of extras that collectively amount to a more apparent luxury car ambience, the 2024 Volvo XC40 family still feels like a premium vehicle throughout. 18-inch alloy wheels, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a touchscreen interface, wireless charging of devices, a driver's seat with power adjustment, cloth upholstery, and a motorized tailgate are among the standard amenities. Starting at $41,995, base core models come with a $1,295 destination cost. A panoramic sunroof, air purification, fog lamps, a surround view video system, parking sensors, and other features are added to the $46,995 Plus edition. Volvo's Pilot Assist Driver Assist System, Adaptive Cruise Control, and Harman Kardon Premium Sound are included in the top Ultimate models, which start at $50,795. All-wheel drive is not included in the approximately $15,000 premium for the fully electric drivetrain. The starting prices for the 3 levels of XC Recharge vehicles are $56,930, $59,890, and $63,280, respectively. An additional $1,750 is required for the twin-motor all-wheel drive arrangement. Which Volvo XC40 should I buy? Volvo is known for its attention to detail, and whether the XC40 is powered by gasoline or electricity, the models that incorporate the brand's premium finishes and additional comfort features without going overboard are the most functional. Because of this, we suggest the mid-level Plus model for the XC40 Recharge in gasoline and the XC40 Recharge in electric form. The Plus receives enhanced lighting, a panoramic roof, and significantly better base microfiber upholstery in addition to driftwood trim and a customized steering wheel, all of which combine to make the car feel like a high-end brand. For a total of $46,995, we would include the $550 Climate Package, heated rear seats and steering wheel. Regarding the XC40 Recharge, the mid-level Plus model, which comes equipped with a motorized passenger seat, panoramic roof, microfiber upholstery, and other features, is also the best value in terms of equipment and pricing. Here, the $1,000 Climate Package is a more crucial choice because it comes with a heat pump that increases comfort and range on longer excursions in cold weather. What does a fully equipped Volvo XC40 cost? Adaptive Cruise Control, Active Lane Control, wood trim, power tailgate, panoramic sunroof, leather seats, and a host of other goodies are standard on the Ultimate. Put the Climate Package and tow hitch, $1,435, to it, and the total comes to $51,345. Similarly, the highest price for the Recharge EV in Ultimate configuration, which includes the tow hitch option, is $61,530, or $63,280. Thanks for watching.